The durability of electric furnace transformers boils down to three core processes: pure copper large cross-section windings, built for continuous high-current furnace operations, with low heat generation and low energy loss, delivering stable performance even under full load smelting. High permeability grain-oriented silicon steel core, with tight lamination joints. It cuts no load losses and withstands frequent switching surges reliably. Vacuum impregnation plus Class H insulation. Moisture resistant and heat tolerant. Built for long-term heavy-duty operation in high-temperature workshops. For business owners in metal smelting, heat treatment, new energy and advanced materials industries. We are a direct manufacturer offering fully customized solutions. Send us your specifications via message, and we will draft a tailored plan for you right away.